Okay, just leaving the campground now for the next round of mods on the Ranger. A little bit of time has passed since I was in for the big GVM upgrade on the Ranger. It's driving beautifully at the moment. Yeah, I guess I've been thinking about brake performance over the last period since we've done the GVM. We are towing more now than we have previously. We've got a new JB Caravan. I had a chat to Zach about some options, and we've come up with a bit of a solution.
Yeah, so with the brakes, obviously you're carrying a lot more load now. Yep. So the standard brakes, could do with a bit of an upgrade, I think, personally. So there's a couple options. I mean, the first option would be obviously upgrading to slotted rotors and like a TrakRyder Kevlar ceramic pad, which is a decent upgrade. But I think in your instance, we're better off going for the big kit. So the big 6-spot caliper.
Yep.
And the slotted rotors and everything, so massive upgrade in terms of the braking capacity. And then for the wheel alignment specs were good. Definitely could be improved, I think, with upper control arms. Yep. So aftermarket Pedders extreme upper control arms. So perfect. I think that'll be a great addition for the car, especially traveling the long distances going around Australia. You're gonna need it, I reckon.
Awesome. We'll also show you some interesting stats as well around the brakes themselves. So we're going to weigh the old brakes and the new brakes, and the results might be surprising. All right, Zach, so you got it on the wheel arm machine at the moment.
Yep.
Is this where we see benefits of the new upper control arms?
Yeah, correct, mate. So from the figures on the wheel liner, obviously we've got the lasers and all the heads hooked up. So just going through and adjusting all your camber and your caster, and then we'll do the tow adjustment. So you can see in the figures the improvement in the caster readings.
Yep.
And just the amount of split that we're able to give it, and also retain a very level, as close to zero as what you can get in the camber readings. So what we have here is the Pedders Big Brake kit.
Yep.
Fit into your vehicle. So you have a 6-pot caliper. So massive increase in your braking performance and capability.
Yeah.
So it comes with TrakRyder Kevlar ceramic brake pads as well.
Wow.
And obviously your slotted and dimpled rotors. So
wow.
Yeah, it's a massive increase in the capability of the brakes.
Yeah.
And the performance as well.
They look the part as well. I mean, obviously for off-road use, this would be amazing, but particularly in our situation with towing, a big caravan on the back, this will really help us pull up. So
yeah, 100%. Yeah, for that extra load.
Yeah.
So definitely a great benefit right there. Obviously you've got the braided lines as well. So again, increased braking capacity. So a firmer pedal.
Yeah.
Obviously you don't get swelling of the rubber hoses. So yeah, great product.
Looks a really nice piece of kit. It's going to really set it off.
Looks amazing. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I love the red. So I'm kind of jealous, mate. You've got a good setup there.
Another shiny piece at the top of the suspension here is new CA. So why would someone consider changing their upper control arms on a car like this?
Yeah, it's a great question, mate. So pretty much the features and benefits, obviously, just straight up looking at it, it's a lot more rigid and a lot beefier, more heavy duty. But the main benefits really are just the lengthening of the front arm here and the shortening of the rear, which increases your caster, which increases sort of your drivability.
Essentially, we're going to get a much better wheel alignment. It's going to drive nicer on the road.
Yeah, 100%. So obviously, with your caster, a caster is a non-wearing angle. So when you're doing your wheel alignments, you've got 3 angles that we work with. You've got your toe, you have your camber, and then you have your caster, which is an imaginary line through the center of the wheel. When we increase the caster, you're increasing your drivability because your steering will be lighter. And then with your caster, we like to give them a caster split. So what that does is it helps compensate for the camber of the road. All the roads in Australia are cambered to the left for drainage. So we can alter the caster to compensate for that. So on long drives, when the road's kind of cambered to the left, it just helps them drive straighter.
Right.
So you get a lot better drivability.
Bleeding the brakes now, so that'll be kind of the final sort of step, really, won't it? And then a bit of a road
you can
test.
jump in and
Yeah.
give it a run, and it'll blow you away.
Yeah. Hold. How's the legs doing? Pump it up.
Pretty sore now.
There's some interesting facts here about our big brake upgrade. So we've got our old brake set here on the left and our new set on the right. I just assume we're going to add weight to the vehicle. Very surprisingly that we're actually reducing weight.
Yeah, so we have the new Pedders caliper, pads and rotor here, and then the original caliper, rotor and pads are inside the caliper there. The weight difference, as you can see here on the scales, so you've got 18 kilos on the new kit and 23 kilos on the original.
Amazing.
So you get a weight saving of 5 kilos per side.
Per side.
10 kilos over the total of the axle. I mean, I suppose when we're talking capacity, the secondary Pedders caliper has obviously got more surface area. So when you're talking about, you know, 6 pistons, instead of this original, you've got 2 pistons at the back here.
Yeah.
And then it's just using the slides to clamp the force.
Yeah.
On this one, you've got 3 at the back,
Yeah.
3 at the front. So it's a total of 6 pistons.
Yeah.
All compressing and squeezing the brake pad onto that slotted and dimpled rotor. I mean, you got a, you know,
Big
amazing-
improvement.
Yeah, massive improvement. So it was, it was a good call on your behalf. You said let's weigh it, and I was a little bit skeptical, to be honest. But
Yeah, I was
100% on the money.
Yeah, just picking them out the box, we went, oh, this feels really light compared to what we've just pulled off the car. And good to test. These things are very heavy, so they're loaded on the front where the engine is. So you have to be really careful because you can go over your axle capacities. So we have had a benefit. We had a bit of an increase with the GVM, which is good, but this will reduce the overall weight by 10 kilos at the front. More of a benefit to getting your brake upgrades on top of the performance and safety reasons as well. All right, team glasses on. We're all done. So thank you, mate.
No worries, mate.
Appreciate all your help. So yeah, this has had the full brake works, the full update, keys are mine. We'll definitely do an update on the performance and the difference and let you guys know. But yeah, thanks to the team again.
No worries.
Cheers, mate. Okay, just leaving Pedders now. Guess the next time we'll be on the road with the van on the back doing our big lug. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks to the support of our partners, 4x4 Extras Wangara, JB Caravans, TC Boxes, and Pedders Suspension and Brakes.